Hey guys, it's Risa. So I just came back from grocery shopping and I'm gonna have lots of things for the week. I bought my Yogo yogurt, one smart point each. I bought crab meat this time because I want to make a pasta crab meat salad. My Lilydale chicken meat, which I love, and just some extra chicken breast. I like to snack on it or sometimes just make a sandwich. Lots of veggies. Zucchini. I bought a Chinese eggplant to switch it up. I'm going to make my kale chips. I love buying a nice big bag. And I'm making some salad for tonight, Caesar salad. And I like to also just make wraps with romaine lettuce. Some tomatoes, a big bag of green beans, some parsley, fresh parsley I like to add to my pasta salads, some spinach, bought some nice fresh peppers, some nice strawberries, some Zerto Parmesan cheese, some light Caesar salad, some mushrooms, a nice big watermelon is in season now. I needed some Dijon mustard, apples, bananas. I bought the tofu shirataki noodles, and it's one smart point for the whole bag. Not everybody likes it. I have it once in a while. I enjoy them. Red onion, which will go into my pasta salad or whatever else, other salads I'm making, cucumber. I bought some hell of a good dip for my crab and some light cream cheese. And of course, eggs are my staple. So, I bought some croutons too to add to my Caesar salad that I'm making tonight with my Renee dressing. And I put in some lemon juice and some of the Parmesan cheese that I dropped. Of course, the Zerto, which I love. And that's my meal prep. So I have lots of nice things here that will get me through the week and keep me focused and keep me on track. So that's what you need to do. Make sure you have enough things. I shopped yesterday too, and you have to be prepared and have the right things in the house so that you are organized and you grab all the good stuff. Okay? So I hope this helps you guys too on your journey.